Welcome everyone to C Note Music Company. Today I'm your instructor, Ceddy B, and we have Peaches by Justin Bieber. Let's get into it. All right, let's go over the scale in the key of C. C is the 1, D is the 2, E is the 3, F is the 4, G is the 5, A is the 6, B is the 7, C is the 1. All right, so we'll have a quick playthrough. One more time. All right, so let's go over this song. It's fairly easy. So for the left hand, you're gonna play 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, that's 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so for our right hand, we're gonna play 6, 1, 3, 5, 7, 2, 4, 6, 1, 3, 5, 7. Let's go over it one more time. 6, 1, 3, 5, 7, 2, 4, 6, 1, 3, 5, 7. Let's put it all together. Left hand 4, right hand 6, 1, 3, left hand 3, right hand 5, 7, 2, left hand 2, right hand 4, 6, 1, left hand 1, right hand 3, 5, 7. So that's the whole song. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Be blessed.